Let's go on an adventure in the Toyota Land Cruiser, the world's toughest four-wheel drive. Flood, mud, nothing can stop you in Toyota's Big Six. It's the professional powerhouse machine that's tough as an amphibian tank and just won't say no wherever you go. And when you hit the trail, Toyota's got the The Toyota Land Cruiser is fast. It cruises at 85 miles per hour all day long, and you ride in 7-man foam seat comfort. Toyota Land Cruiser is available in 6 different models. So trade up to Toyota Land Cruiser.